So Roman just had his 6th birthday and he got the Tech Deck DIY concrete set. This thing is sweet and he is so excited to build it. Hardens like concrete, just add water. So we have this little ramp set that came with a pack of concrete. I'm gonna add water. I don't know, it's gonna be fun. Here we go.
And then I found my fingerboard back.
Oh yeah, show them the bottom.
It's my a toy machine and it's the same logo as my skateboard.
As your real skateboard.
So it's a fingerboard skateboard and a real skateboard one.
So cool. All right, you ready? All right, it came. Ooh, that's the concrete.
So we got the concrete.
What's that?
A fingerboard, but it's not soft.
Does not have the soft grip tape. Now you know what you got to do with that fingerboard, right? Or you got to throw it in the trash. You got to land a kickflip.
Oh, I don't land it. I gotta throw it in the trash.
Yep. All right, let's see it. Get the kickflip. Oh! To the trash.
No.
Did you only go throw it in the trash?
No.
All right. What if Daddy gets the kickflip? Oh! I just learned kickflips, so maybe it's not the board. All right, that's the mold.
Here's the instruction stickers.
Those are tattoos. Oh! That thing is sick, dude.
That's slime.
Slime tattoo. What? You want a tattoo?
Yeah.
You want the skull with slime coming out of his eyes. You're tough. Whoa! You tough girl. So you mold the concrete in the bottom of this, but this is also a fingerboard feature. So before we fill this with concrete, because it does got to sit 6 to 8 hours in the refrigerator, let's have a session on this guy. Alright. Oh! That was sick. Oh, that was cool. Oh, the grind. You gotta hold this ramp or it moves on you.
Oh!
Missed the shot, dude. Oh, you kick flipped it. Put it in slow-mo. We had our fun fingerboarding. It is time for concrete.
Yep. Maybe put the concrete under and on the thing right here. Like on these rock stuff too, Dad.
You can do multiple ways of the concrete.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
So yeah, you can build the ramp that's underneath here, or you can fill in this section and this section and make like a different ramp. And you can re-wet the concrete that they sent you. That's really cool.
Yeah. Oh, you would soak it in the water. Oh.
Pour it in, let it sit 5 minutes. Ooh, dude.
Let's go look at the concrete.
All right, here we go. It's been 5 minutes from it. Is it soft?
Oh, it's hard.
Okay, so it says. All right, Mom helped us get our water hot.
Yeah, we gotta get it more hotter.
Oh, that's so different, dude.
Oh, it's more concrete.
It's more concrete-like. So
Yeah.
squeeze out the water. Duff it in. Squeeze out the water. Good, okay.
Feel it. Ooh, wow. That's it, Dad.
Your turn. What's your turn? This?
Yeah. Ooh, fine.
Once again, the cool thing about this is you can reuse it. So we're gonna make this, and then if you want to ever change the shape or use the outside of this thing, you just do it again. Stick it in warm water and then reshape it.
Ooh.
Into the refrigerator, this thing goes.
Can I put it in the refrigerator?
Yeah, hold on.
Ooh, oh, flat. And flat.
All right, dude, take it to the refrigerator.
So, the fridge or the refrigerators?
Next to your birthday cake? Right above it.
Right above. Yeah.
Alright, so that means we gotta wait 6 hours, so we're gonna skate it tomorrow. So we're gonna do that cool thing where, you know, like we do that, you know, like the thing where we... Alright, dude, let's see if it's frozen. Alright, how's it feel? Ooh, it's gonna be good. You excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so before we bust this baby out and show you guys the finished product. I want to mention that this whole video has been filmed with the new Insta360 Go 3. This camera is so rad. It's got the little view on the back, looks like a traditional action camera, but you can flip the screen up on this guy, which is so rad. But that's just one thing you can do. You can also pull the camera out. This is the actual camera right here, and that's just a housing unit. Like literally I can point this at Bristol and it's gonna pop up on the screen, which is super rad. This way. But the Go 3 is one of Insta360's new cameras. It's super rad. We're gonna get the X3, which is the 360 camera that I use for all my snowboard videos. Has the invisible pole, super rad. All of Insta360 stuff is linked in the description. And the Go 3. All right, we ready to fingerboard?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we want to pull it out, but before we do, it weighs. I guess it's gotta fall.
Yeah.
We ready to bust it out?
Yeah.
Oh, you're ready?
Yeah.
All right.
That's how you get it out too, right?
Ooh, that looks smooth.
Ooh, that looks
Do we
smooth.
get the tool? I wonder how we get this thing out. Yes? Oh!
You just popped
It just popped right out. Dude, this thing actually looks smooth.
Let's
I'm
get
shocked.
the 3 too big.
I thought it was gonna be like more bumpy. We do have a problem though. The bottom, maybe I didn't smush it smooth enough or whatnot. This is all smooth, but this is not smooth.
It actually looks like the feet on the box.
It does look pretty freaking rad, dude.
I wish we grind this. Can we grind this? Actually, oh yes, we can.
We can grind it?
Oh, that is so satisfying.
Is it satisfying?
Yeah, but
Is it satisfying, Bristol?
oh,
See, this is the wheels. It's not terrible. I think the more we ride it, it might get smoother. But you can always like fingerboard.
and that is satisfying.
And it's not moving, which is really nice. I guess it is slightly moving.
Yup.
Your turn, Bristol?
Yeah.
Let's see it. Ooh, good job, girl.
You got the turn. Ooh, perfect.
Nice, dude.
You can.
Your turn. Try that one.
Wow. Wow.
Ooh, the
Ooh,
manual.
I'm ready. Oh,
Manual.
that get me some turns.
I'm actually surprised at how smooth this thing feels. Now, it's still cold. I don't know what it's going to be like when it gets warmer, but it kind of feels like concrete. It's ripping. Once again, I would say like maybe do your best to smooth this out better than I did. I just used my fingers. But if you got something to like really make it smooth so then you can ride on nicely.
You just like me to make it too hard. Okay.
That's kind of fingerboard YouTuber, but so I am noticing little chunks of this are coming off, a little sandy. It's getting a little like grindy right here. So you're gonna have to wash your table or whatever you fingerboard on after using this.
Okay.
Oh, nice one, dude. So these weren't human tattoos. These are actually ramp tattoos. We didn't know that.
In the 1960s, they supposed to put like human tattoos, right? It's right.
Well, the ramp tattoos are suspicious.
Feels.
Oh, that was sick.
Oh, we played that.
All right.
Over the way.
Oh.
What?
I will say the ramp is a little small, which is fine for him, but if you're like a fingerboard, I mean, I'm not a fingerboard, but I would assume good fingerboarders would want slightly bigger of a ramp. They probably all start making real concrete speakers this way.
Oh!
That's
We
kind of a
played that one.
Alright guys, with that, thank you so much for building this little ramp with me and Roman, his birthday gift that he got. Oh dang. He's obviously going to keep playing with this thing. We're not the greatest fingerboarders, but this was fun, right?
We actually are.
Oh, we actually are pretty good fingerboarders. We heard it here. Should they subscribe because we rock?
Subscribe to the channel, like the video too.
Yeah, and as always, thanks for watching.
Okay,
Keep evolving. We'll see you tomorrow with another video because it's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.